In a surprising twist, Huawei is now said to have applied its experience in making its own mobile processors to the production of equally custom, in-house CMOS sensors for its smartphone's cameras. Then again, these reports are based on a rumor that the OEM is out of the camera components it normally sources from dedicated imaging tech company Sony. So hey everyone, I am Ayosh, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. According to the latest Weibo-based rumors, Sony may have just ended its relationship with Huawei, leaving the latter in the lurch in terms of making next-gen flagship mobile cameras. That would be bad news for any modern mobile device OEM, but possibly even worse for a brand that prides itself on its solid record of DxO mark-topping flagships. Therefore, Huawei is now believed to have taken matters into its own hands and produced upgrades for its well-regarded P-series cameras by itself. That would be a completely implausible thing to attribute to some smartphone OEMs. However, this one is back to designing its own custom chipsets, as with Apple and its X series of iPhone processors as of 2023. Therefore, it is not completely beyond the possibility that Huawei could now turn its hand to making what is essentially just another kind of CMOS. Much as many of its rivals might like to do the same, it is usually not worth the bother, considering how long companies such as Sony and Samsung has been making sensors out of similar material. Accordingly, a 100% XMAG camera would probably suit a next-gen P70 series smartphone just fine. Then again, the prospect of custom image sensor design might be a stretch, even for Huawei. In light of Huawei's reported move into designing its own custom CMOS sensors for smartphone cameras, one has to wonder, could Huawei truly master this new technology and potentially disrupt the sensor market, or is it a stretch for the company to compete with long-established sensor giants like Sony and Samsung? Do let us know it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.